back at it today. Look, I decided to install my head saver, so I've got the hood up. Now I can really get back in here and work on this thing. You know, there's no way in heaven I want to replace that heater core. So we're going to do a few more tests. I hooked the pressure tester back up, but we put new hoses on both sides and install the clamps. So we're going to test to make sure the clamps are tight, and then we're going to hook this thing up and actually drive it. But I've had it sitting here for over an hour. We pumped it all the way up to 15 psi. Let's go over here and look and see what's going on with the gauge. Oh, look at that. It has not even moved at 15 psi in over an hour. So that pretty much confirms to me we don't have a heater core leak. We've got something else. So I'm going inside and I'm going to pull the driver's carpet up next. I decided I'd pull the passenger side carpet first. A lot of times if it's a drain issue, you'll see it wet over in this area. But there's no wetness here at all. And the floor here is dry. All the edges of the carpets, you know, are real dry in here. So I don't see any problem there. Let's go take a look at that driver's carpet. This is the underside of the driver's carpet. And look at where the moisture is located. It's right in the center towards the back of the carpet. And up here under the footwell there's nothing. Carpet is totally dry, but the carpet is pretty wet right in here. And then you get up over here by where it comes down from the tunnel. It's pretty dry right there. There's no moisture. So is water leaking off the top of the tunnel and getting down into the center part of the floor? Or where is this water coming from? And I already checked. It doesn't smell like coolant either. So here is where most of the moisture is. You can see it on my hand. And if we look over here towards the tunnel, you know, it's dry in through here. So let's trace this. Where is this coming from? If we go this way, right up to here, the bottom of this carpet is wet. And this cable, it's wet in this trough underneath this cable. So there's where the water is coming down from. So what do you think that means?